I'm 18 and I go to St Patrick's High School, Keady. I'm in year 14 and I'm studying history, sociology and RE. I live in Keady and this is a Keady Mill walk. As you can see, there is not a lot to do around here. This is Shamey. He is a local resident, and why he won't take his young children down here? Why do you not take them down?
I wouldn't take children down here. I wouldn't like to take them down here because it's all broken glass and cracked. If you get cut in the glass, I wouldn't like to take my children down to this place. It's different if it was cleaned up and tidy and clean and respectable, but it's not. People need to have a bit of respect.
Keady is in the process of it all changing, and all this here is going to be made into parks and stuff for children. Good to see that signs of improvement and work is being done already in the new park. What do you think of the new community centre being built in Keady?
It's very good because it gives opportunities to people, because there's nothing else in Keady for young people to do.
What do you think about the new community centre being built here in Keady?
It's going to help take young people off the street.